Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you how to import Marvel Rivals model into Blender Octane edition and how to texture them properly. In previous video, I have told you how to set up Blender Octane edition. If you haven't watched it, make sure to watch it. In this video, we will continue with importing and texturing. So friends, for importing models, we will use Rivals Porting. Rivals Porting is a free application and I have already made a setup tutorial on it, so you can watch it. So friends, for installing plugin, we will need to first find Blender Octane edition location. So just search here Blender Octane edition, and just right click and click on open file location. Again right click and then click on open file location. You can see this is the Blender Octane edition location. Just copy this directory link and open your Rivals Porting now. So as you can see that our Rival Portings has been opened, and here you need to go to this plugin option, click on this plus button and paste the Blender Octane directory location here. You can see this is the Blender Octane edition version. Just select it and then press open button and wait for some time. So friends, as you can see that our plugin has been successfully installed. So friends, now we need to launch Blender Octane edition. Before launching Blender Octane, always make sure to connect to the server, otherwise Blender Octane edition will not work. Okay, so just search Octane server prime, and this you need to do this every time. Okay, so just click on it and nothing will actually happen here. The Octane server prime will appear here. Okay, just click on this arrow thing, just right click here and click on activation. This will activate our Octane server prime. Okay, you just need to click on this activate button if you have logged in your web browser or something. I've already made a setup video. You can just watch the previous video and learn how to activate this. Okay, once the server has been activated, we are ready to launch Blender Octane edition. So just close this and then search Blender Octane edition, and you can see that my Blender Octane edition has been opened. So for now we will just click on this file, new, and then click on this Octane render startup path tracing, because we want to use path tracing engine. Okay, so just click on this and you can see that Octane has been launched. So we will just clean up the interface a little bit. So just clean up here and clean this. We will just close everything here. And now we need to make sure that our plugin, Rivals Porting plugin, has been enabled in Blender Octane. Otherwise no model will import into Blender Octane. So just click on this edit, preferences, add-ons, and here you need to search Rivals Porting. You can see right now it's disabled, so just check this. So our Rival Porting plugin will be enabled. So you can see that our Rivals Porting has been enabled. Right now we are good to import our character here. So we will just delete this cube thing. Don't delete the camera, and click on this scene collection, because I want to import the character into global collection. Just click on this and then click on Rivals Porting. Go to the asset tabs, and it's up to you. You can import any character you want. So friends, for now we will go with Spider-Man, because he is really easy to texture and you can learn a lot of concept from texturing him. So we will go with the default Spider-Man and then press export button. Okay, once this export process starts, make sure not to click anything in Blender, otherwise your Blender might crash. Okay, so be patient. It takes 2 to 3 minutes to import the model into Blender. Okay, so you can see that our Spider-Man has been imported. First of all, there are lot of bones here, so we will just disable these bones by clicking here. Click on this drop down and turn off the bones option. Okay, now before previewing anything, first of all we will change the engine settings. So just click on this output engine settings here, and here you can see there is max sample and max preview sample. We will change both to 100, otherwise our PC might crash. Okay, so you can go in max preview samples, you can go up to 50 also, depending on your PC. So my PC can support 100 samples while recording, so I will go with that only. So now we can turn on this preview option and wait for some time. You can see that Spider-Man has been imported, but even though we have imported it with Rivals Porting, there are no textures on Spider-Man. This is because the default texture that comes with Rivals Porting is not supported in Blender Octane. We need to convert those default textures into Blender Octane. So first of all, let's simplify our model and delete this useless mesh that has come on our Spider-Man. So just click on this preview mode and then select your Spider-Man, press tab button to go to the edit mode, right click here, click on separate and then click on buy material. You can see again press tab button and you will go to this object mode, and you can see that all the different object of the Spider-Man has been separated. So first of all, we will remove this gloves thing on this Spider-Man which is looking very bad. Just delete it, and now you can see that there is a white coating type of mesh on Spider-Man which is looking very bad, and we also no need to texture it. We don't need to texture it, so just select it and then press delete button. Right now we are good to go. We will go to the shading tab and then click on this preview option, okay, and zoom in and just disable the bones and click on any part of the Spider-Man. Let's start with face. You can see that the textures are already there, the shader is also there, but there nothing is appearing here on Blender Octane. This is because both this texture and this thing is not supported. The shader thing is not supported by Octane, so we need to convert it into those that is supported by Octane. And so first of all, just delete this shader, press shift plus A. We will need to create our own material, so we will use universal material. Just search universal material and connect it to surface. Now you can see these are the textures of Spider-Man. So we first of all will start converting the texture. So you can see this one is the diffuse. Just right click here, Octane utility, and convert to Octane node. Now it's ready to use. So just connect this diffuse to albedo. You can see that the Octane Spider-Man head has been applied and it already looks good. Even if we don't connect any other texture, this will look good, guys, okay. And now we will connect the specular because this one is the easiest. So just right click here, convert to Octane node, connect the specular to specular. This will reduce the shininess because it was too shiny. And now comes the emission, and I don't think this Spider-Man has any emission. Why they have given this texture? Just delete this emission. Now we will connect the normal map for adding some basic details. Right click here, convert to Octane node. Again press shift plus A, search normal here, normal, normal. Connect this texture out to power and change the coordinate system from world to tangent, and connect this texture out to the normal parameter. You can see this one is the normal. Just connect it. It will add some more detail on our Spider-Man. Now remains this ORM texture. ORM is a combination of three different texture, okay, occlusion, roughness and metallic. So it contains our roughness and metallic parameter. We don't need the occlusion because this is a part tracing engine and it makes its own occlusion, okay. So just right click here, convert to Octane node. We will use channel picker to separate different channel of this texture. So just search channel picker by pressing shift plus A, connect this texture out to input, and for conversion use sRGB to linear sRGB, and for channel we will select the second channel which is green channel, and green is connected in roughness, okay. This control the roughness of our model. You can see right now it looks like cloth because Spider-Man is not that shiny. He is wearing cloth type of material, so it should not be too shiny. So you can see that we have connected our roughness texture. Now again copy this channel picker node by pressing Ctrl plus C and paste it here again. Connect this texture out to input, and for channel change it to third channel. This will control the metallic of our Spider-Man. So we'll just connect it to metallic, okay. You can see this glass thing is now really looking very good after connecting it, okay. So you can see that this is how you texture in Blender Octane edition. I will also texture the body part for you so that you can you don't feel any confusion. So just first of all, just delete this shader thing, add our universal material. This is our custom material, or we can say the default Octane material. Connect the material output to surface. Again convert this diffuse to diffuse, albedo. Convert the ORM. We will convert the ORM later. We will first convert the specular and connect it to this specular thing, and then we don't need this common black thing. We will convert the normal, and first of all for normal we need to add a normal more. Connect this texture to power and change from world to tangent, and connect this texture out to normal. And once you have done that, now remains the ORM. Just connect to Octane node, and for separating channel we will use channel picker. You can see channel picker, and connect texture out to input. For conversion sRGB to linear sRGB, second channel should go in roughness, this one, and again copy this by pressing Ctrl+C and then paste it here, and third channel should go in metallic. So first of all connect this texture out to input, and again here texture out should go into metallic. Okay, you can see now the Spider-Man is really looking cool. I will texture this one also for you if you want, but I think you now understand the point, you get the point how to texture in Blender Octane edition. I would recommend practicing with Venom and Spider-Man other skins except recolors, because recolors might cause trouble. So you can practice more, and in some future videos I will tell you how to texture hair and eyes. Right now I am going to tell you how to change the lighting a little bit, because you can see that the lighting is coming from behind and it is not looking good. I want the lighting to come from front. Okay, so right now you can go here, you can see the engine settings. We need to go to the world settings. Okay, and you can see that there is a world default made in Blender Octane edition. We can change it also to planetary environment or any other environment, but for now daylight environment seems perfect. You can change this sun direction to change the lighting. Okay, just click on this drop down under sun direction, and you can play with latitude and longitude to add a different kind of lighting. You can see right now lighting is coming from front, and Spider-Man is kind of looking amazing, guys. I don't know what Octane uses, the renders and the texture looks amazing. Okay, so I want you to texture the whole part and practice texturing Spider-Man. In next video I will tell you the render settings and how to render properly in Blender Octane edition. I will tell you how to do transparent renders also, and in future video I will tell you texturing eyes and hair, because they are the most problematic. You can practice with basic characters like Spider-Man, Venom, who don't have any eyes. So yeah, this is how you texture in Blender Octane edition and import the model. So I hope guys you like the video, today's video, and if you like the video, make sure to subscribe my channel and share the video to your friends. It really helps a lot. I will see you in next video, guys. Till then, goodbye, and yeah, signing out, Warlord Tutorials.